Hey guys, Brooksy Tech here, and got a new product in for the Tacoma. These are the Beamtech LED headlights. They should fit multiple sizes, but specifically for our Tacoma, they are the H11s, but they should just be direct plug and play. Just pick these up on eBay for 30 bucks. I think you can get them on Amazon for about 35, so they're a little cheaper on eBay. Usually Amazon will have faster shipping, but with all the stuff that's going on, eBay was actually the faster option. But look pretty nice. They have lots of good reviews, and they should be just a direct plug-in for the Tacoma. Just make sure there is a positive and negative side, so you want to make sure to look out for that. But I like that they don't have a kind of an external ballast like a lot of HIDs do, so they should just plug right in, and then these will go to the original plugs. I'm gonna get one of these plugged in and kind of just show the difference between the stock halogen bulb versus these. I've read that these shouldn't be too blinding. I know a lot of times when people install like HIDs, they just scatter the light everywhere, but we'll take a look, see how I like them. I definitely wanted more of a white light after installing the Raptor lights, just to kind of match those. So I'm going to get one of these installed, and then I will do a kind of comparison video, and then I'll just do a quick how-to to install the other side once I finish things up. Alright, so here is kind of the comparison. On the left we have the stock halogen bulb, and on the right we have the LED. Definitely looks a lot better. I think I'll be keeping these and putting in the LED on the passenger side. And here's kind of just how they look compared to on the driveway. So aimed about the same angle. So I don't think I'll be blinding anybody, but definitely worth the upgrade. I'll do one last take, just kind of how do I install it on the passenger side tomorrow, and upload this video. Hope you guys found it helpful. Okay, so installing the LEDs are not too difficult. It's kind of hard to see, but there's basically the bulb is going to be right down here, and to take the old one out, you can just twist it, and it should be able to just pull out of the housing. Kind of hard to do one-handed here. All right, just be careful in case you want to reuse these or decide to change your mind. So they just kind of pull out like that, and then you're just gonna disconnect the bulb. Probably need two hands to do that. All right, so the bulb just comes out, and we'll just save this for later. And then you're gonna plug the LED into here. And then one thing to note, that there is a positive and negative side on the LED. So I took a little red paint pen and mark the LED, and then you just want to plug it into the side that faces up and just kind of push that back in and twist. So let's get this plugged in, and I'll show you how it looks with both turned on. All right, and here they are, both plugged in and turned on. I think they look pretty good. Definitely an upgrade over the original. So I think the fog lights will be next. I'm gonna have to get rid of those kind of orangish yellow halogen bulbs. So I think I can just use the same bulbs. I'll let you guys know down in the description of the video when I find out. But yeah, I hope you found this video useful. Give it a big thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe for more Tacoma content. Thanks, bye.